Yo, what is going on, guys? Boo here, aka the Shadow of Gangor. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. I think it's about a month now. The reason why is I've been helping my mom with her foot. So yeah, I kind of got a different kind of video today. Today, well, I got something for Christmas. I just quickly run over here. What? You is that the edge of this path? Go check my previous videos up here. That was not there. Anyway, so yeah, I got a Nerf gun. So what we're gonna be doing today, testing the range on it. I brought up some spare bullets, or darts, sorry. Nerf nerds. So yeah, we're gonna be testing the power and the range. This is a pretty big field, so I think we'll be okay. And I've got about 3 soccer videos planned, and 2 of which are with Aaron, the Emerald and the Dragon. So hopefully you enjoy. If you do enjoy, guys, hit that like button. It really helps me. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna set the camera. See you guys in a second. I have thought of an alternate solution for this yoke. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime it. There we go, it's primed. I'm gonna shoot it, and I'm gonna walk how far it is. So yeah, shoot it. Okay. Let's see how far that went. I'm gonna cut this out. I think, guys, I am here. That's the bullet. This was 40 feet. That's terrible. I mean, look, it was from my ball to there. Seriously? I would have thought it was better than that, but I've got another Nerf video as well, and hopefully, guys, I can convince my friend to lend me some of his Nerf guns. See, he has a couple that I want to try, like the Rough Cut 2x4 and the Rapid Strike. So yeah, let's primed, shoot, ready to go. So let's do. Where's the bullet? That is fine. I feel like the wind is blowing this way. See that? This way. So, yeah. I'm gonna fire up. See how this goes. Okay, I think that was a bit farther. Let's go see. But I think, guys, can't find it. I've been searching for a really long time. I can't find it. I think but yeah, let's walk back over. Let's do this again. So I have 40 feet. I'm gonna fire off 3 shots and then do the average. 40. I am a Nerf noob. Okay. Okay. Come on. quality video, mate. Jeez. What the hell? Hold on, guys. Right then, guys, I am done. It's primed, it's ready to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna shoot it up into the air. This is up into the air right now. Now I'm primed, ready to shoot. Okay. I can see it. I'll report back to you guys. Okay, guys, I got 41 feet. That's kind of suckish. No, that's good for a Nerf gun. I would say, I think it's about 60 FPS. I think that's how fast it goes. The bullet travels at 68 FPS or something like that. Like, epic catch. So, yeah. Let's do one more shot, and then I will report back to you guys, because this video is getting lengthy. Oh jeez. Okay, right, ready to shoot, I think. So let's do this. This time I'm just gonna aim straight with 2 hands. No, I'm just gonna hit fire somewhere. So yeah, let's do this. That did not go far at all. Okay, one sec, guys. First guys, I've done all the mathematical stuff, and yeah. So this Outbreaker bow, apparently it's a bow. No, I just decided to leave the crossbow on it, off it, and it doesn't affect anything. But I came to a conclusion. I think that the average is 33. Now, I didn't have any pencils, so I had to wet my hand and draw out 114 divided by 3 on that. So, you can't even see the sum. It's gone. I don't even know where I drew it. That's because it's gone. But, yeah, guys. Expect more videos to come out very, very soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!